everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today my topic is place value of a number. What is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. Look at how I've written 5468. I break it all. 5,000s, 400s, 6 tens and 8 ones make 5,468. For your more understanding, I have written here 5,468. Here you can see how the 5 will multiply with 1,000, 4 will multiply with 100, 6 will multiply with 10, and 8 will multiply with 1. This is how the answer is 5,468. So now you see I have written one addition sum which I will show you how to use the place value in addition, subtraction and many more. These are the number of 1,000, these are the number of 100, these are the number of 10 and these are the number of 1. Now I will add this number and it will make it more easy because I know the place value of this number. 8 plus 0 is just 8 because 0 is no number. 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Wait guys, I just wanted to tell you that 0 has no value in any addition or subtraction. So that's why 8 is still coming over here. Look, so I added it and got the answer 9,148 more easily than the standard method because of the place value. If you want to do the 4 operations of maths with the place value, you must know about the place value. The 4 operations of maths are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these were the all information of the place value. But next time I will tell you about the addition, subtraction and multiplication and many more. The maths exercises. Okay, bye bye.